Klim Cyclone is Klim Technologies' widest cooler. We are a young company, a small team of Europeans with the goal to bring quality electronics at a fair price. Computers are damaged by heat, especially laptops, due to their inner density. Components are stacked in a very small space, lacking sufficient airflow. Computer overheating induces early wear and tear of components, performance losses, and crashes. We know a laptop is expensive. That's why Klim Cyclone is a long-term investment, which will protect your computer for an affordable price. Klim Cyclone is the perfect solution in order to prevent your laptop from overheating. This fan-fitted support raises your computer and dissipates the heat thanks to its powerful yet quiet fans. Klim Cyclone is so quiet it is hard to imagine it's the most powerful cooler available on the market. But it really is. Featuring 5 fans, 4 of which rotate at 2,200 revolutions per minute. Klim Cyclone is able to cool your laptop down in less than a minute in order to drop back to a normal temperature. Thanks to its 5 fans, it ensures perfect cooling of all the areas of your laptop. Next-generation gaming laptops usually feature 17-inch screens. Klim Cyclone is designed for those powerful and massive computers, while smaller fans cannot handle them. From 11 to 19 inches, your laptop will be perfectly stable on top of the Cyclone. Klim Cyclone is a must-have. It lengthens the lifespan of your PC to the maximum and supercharges its performance. It's a good investment for an affordable price. Klim Cyclone probably offers the best value for money amongst all coolers. Our engineers designed it as a high-end product, fitted with the best existing materials and a pure gaming look. It is truly built to last. We offer you a 5 years warranty, a token of the trust we have in our products. It's literally a risk-free purchase. Blue or red, pick your color and purchase a Klim Cyclone through the link to our Amazon shop contained in the description. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. We'll try our best to answer them as quickly as possible.